So here we have a BMW Mini in for a full valet. The vehicle's not so bad on the outside, although the trims were pretty faded, but it was really bad on the inside. There was pet hair in there, quite a lot of mud, which was quite poor. I'm not going to show all the steps. It's just some of the steps to keep the video a little bit shorter and hopefully keep people interested. So this is just a final rinse before drying, polishing and taking the polish off and applying the tyre dressing. So here I'm putting on the super resin polish. It did bring up the bodywork quite nice actually. I mean, it wasn't sort of faded, but it definitely gave it a really nice shine. And this is taking the super resin polish off the bodywork. And I'll show you an after shot in a minute. And this is applying the tyre dressing with it's Orglim instant tyre dressing. I've already done the side trims with the Orglim plastic conditioner or plastic trim conditioner. And now with the hoovering, as you can see, it's just all the corners were looking very much like this corner. They're really quite poor with the there's like almost a layer of dust in there and pet hair, and especially in the back where the pet had been, there was a lot of sort of doggy prints and pet hair and mud here and there. And now I'm on to the shampooing stage. So using your Aquarius Pro Valet. It's a really good machine. There we go, that's the end result. It's looking quite a bit better now. Thanks for watching.